show you how to adjust the canvas size in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and from here we just go into image in the top row. Then here we have canvas size, and here we have the current size, and here we can increase the size, and here we can set the anchor point, so which point remains the center of the picture, in which direction we want to expand the canvas. Here, let's say we want to have I don't know, 32 by 24, which is the double. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.